Hello, welcome to IGCSE Computer Science Data Transmission Tutorial Series. Let's take a look at what we cover. At the end of this tutorial, you shall learn how data is broken down into packets before transmission, understand the structure of data packets, learn about packet switching, including the role of the router in the process. Understand how data is transmitted using a range of different transmission methods. Be able to choose a transmission method for a given scenario. Learn about the Universal Serial Bus Interface and how it is used to transmit data. Understand why error checking methods are needed. Be able to describe how a range of different error detection methods work. Understand why it is useful to encrypt data when it is transmitted. And finally, be able to describe how data is encrypted using both symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Congratulations for completing the introductory lesson of data transmission for IGCSE Computer Science. In our next lesson, we dive into data packet and its structure. Please kindly subscribe and click the notification bell to stay on track for more educational videos.